The reason you clicked on this video is probably you wanna lose that extra stored fat and tone your body by starting to exercise. And you think you need to work hard and try a variety of exercises to evenly lose fat from all your body parts. But what if I told you now that you only need to do 4 exercises daily to start seeing noticeable differences in just few weeks? Yes, you heard me right. In this video, I'm gonna show you the golden rule of fat burning, which is applied in every workout routine. Whether you want to lose 5 kgs or 15 kgs, you can achieve your perfect body shape that you are meant to be in by just following the special mantras I am about to tell you in this video. So hey, let's get started. But before you get deep into the magic mantras, just pause this video and subscribe to my channel so you'll get notified about my other weight loss hacks that work for everyone. Mantra number 1 is keep it simple, silly. You probably might be thinking in order to lose that stubborn fat from the body, you need to work really hard and add new exercises or varieties of different workouts throughout the week. But many a times that's just not true, especially if you are a beginner or even if you have hit the gym few times. Complicating your workout routine with variety of exercises is just going to confuse you more and ultimately draw you away from your goals. The more you keep these exercise things simple, the more you will allow your mind to focus on your nutrition and diet. Because that is what really counts more in losing weight. Your exercise counts 20% in your weight loss, whereas the diet counts 80% for getting those fast results. That is why they say, abs are made in the kitchen. So stop complicating workouts and keep it simple, silly. Mantra number 2 is you got to master the form. Practice these 4 exercises for 4 to 5 days per week and make it your lifestyle. At the beginning, just focus on your form. Learn how to do these exercises correctly and master your form. Because we have to pay weeks to repair the pains caused due to the wrong exercise forms. And also if we do it the wrong way, we won't get the exact desired results. And we could fail to impact the targeted muscles. You know the rule. The more muscles you build, more fat you burn. So focus on improving your posture first. See what your limitations are and try to improve them. For example, if you are unable to do a standard push-up, start with knee push-ups or wall push-ups and gradually upgrade to standard push-up form. You first need to do a knee push-up right by keeping your body in straight line from head to your knees, bending your elbows at 45 degrees to push your body up and down in one rep. This way you can tone and build your arm strength eventually and head towards standard push-up. Provided that you practice it consistently. That's what our third mantra is. You got to stay consistent. You'll have to keep working out these exercises consistently at any cost. You can do this, right? Just write it down on a paper in big letters and stick it on the wall. I can and I will do this no matter what. By practicing it at least for a month, you'll put brains in your muscles. And believe me, thereafter you'll automatically have become consistent in doing these fat burning exercises daily, which you probably have mastered by the time. You need not improve just your workout or just your diet. What you need to improve is your lifestyle. Make healthy lifestyle your habit, and this is gonna help you throughout your whole life. Don't just make workout plans or diet plans till you lose weight or get in shape and then back to your regular lifestyle. You need to maintain this lifestyle. Before we get to our fourth and last mantra, let me tell you the correct form to practice our 3 exercises other than push-ups. After push-ups, our second exercise is plank. Get in plank position. Make sure your back and hips are in straight line. Your elbows should be directly underneath your shoulders. Squeeze in your core and glutes. Breathe in through nose and exhale through your mouth. Do not hold your breath. Hold this position starting from 30 seconds in the beginning and gradually increase the time to 1 or 2 minutes. You will have to do 2 or 3 sets, keeping in between 1 minute rest intervals. You will see tremendous fat loss in your core area as you continue building your core strength by practicing a perfect plank. Moving on to our third exercise, crunches. Lie on your back and plant your feet on the floor. Press your hands behind the head and lift your upper body, keeping the head facing towards the ceiling. After doing 5 to 10 crunches reps, you should feel your core burning. That's the signal you're doing them correctly. Keep your head and neck relaxed. Do 2 to 3 sets starting from 10 reps in each set and increase the number of crunches eventually as you master. Doing crunches regularly will magically start showing noticeable difference in your abdominal fat area. The fourth exercise is squats to tone your leg muscles. Stand on your feet at 2 feet distance apart with toes pointed slightly out. Bend your knees and hinge your hip till your thighs get parallel to the floor and then get back to the standing position. This is 1 rep. To master the correct form of squats, practice chair squats in the beginning. Stand in front of chair with feet at shoulder distance apart. Bend your knees and bring your hips down till it slightly touches the chair seat. And get back to the standing position without sitting on the chair. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 10 reps and increase each time to 15 to 30 reps in each set. You can also hold last squat to say 20 seconds. Squats will make your legs and core muscles stronger and your everyday movements easier. And here comes our last mantra to fast and effective weight loss. Level up. You always have to aim for more after you have mastered your initial goals. Break your limitations. Set new resistances and keep moving forward. Do not stop at less. So that's all about 4 super effective fat burning exercises and golden mantras. I hope you remember them. Let's have a quick recap. Mantra number 1 is keep it simple. Mantra number 2 is master the form. Mantra number 3 is to stay consistent. And mantra number 4 is level up. If you think this video provided you with value, then hit that like button and subscribe to see more such content. I am also going to make more advanced fitness routine videos in coming days. Thanks for watching this video and click the link in the description if you are looking for fast and natural solution for weight loss. I am sure it can provide you with much value. See you soon guys. Till then, eat healthy and stay fit. Bye bye.